Inhale and relax. Exhale and engage. Use that deep core to keep your pelvis nice and still. Keep that little curve in your low back. As we exhale, we're tilting the pelvis back and we're gonna press through the heels, lift the pelvis up, roll one vertebra at a time up, just until the base of the shoulder blades, so you should have a nice straight line from the shoulder to the knee. You're gonna drop down and sink those hips way back to the back, perfect, and then exhale and press through the heels as you come back up. But today we're gonna make it a little bit more intense. So we're gonna have you go ahead and bring both hands behind your other knee, and you're gonna pull in towards your chest. Now you should feel a big stretch in the back of that hip. We're gonna inhale. Let the belly relax. Let both knees drop to one side. And ideally your knees are staying together, your pelvis is moving, your rib cage is staying flat on the floor, and you feel a nice stretch through the side body.